In this episode, we'll learn how to install Node.js on macOS. Node.js is required for creating and running Vue.js applications. So let's get it set up before we start building our first project. The commands used in this tutorial are available in the video description below. Let's start by opening a terminal window. Before installing Node.js on macOS, we'll first install NVM, which stands for Node Version Manager. NVM allows us to easily install, manage, and switch between different Node.js versions. Let's add the following command and press Enter. After the installation finishes, we need to configure our shell so that macOS can load NVM automatically. Now let's open the zshell configuration file. This file is executed every time a new terminal session starts. Press Enter and the file will open in the Nano text editor. Copy the configuration block from the video description below. Then move to the end of the file using the down arrow key and paste the configuration there. Once you've finished adding the configuration, press Ctrl+X to exit Nano. You'll be prompted to save the changes. Press Y to confirm, then press Enter to save the file. To apply the changes without restarting the terminal, run the following command. This reloads the configuration and makes NVM available immediately. Now we're ready to install Node.js. We'll use the latest long-term support version, also known as the LTS release. NVM will download and install the latest stable version recommended for production use. If you have multiple Node.js versions installed in the future, it's useful to define which one should be used by default. Finally, let's make sure everything was installed correctly. The node-v command displays the installed Node.js version, and npm-v command displays the installed npm version, which is the package manager included with Node.js. And finally, which node command shows the exact location of the Node.js executable on your system. If all commands return a valid output, congratulations! Node.js and npm are now successfully installed on your Mac, and you're ready to start building applications with Vue.js. We're ready to create our first Vue.js project in the next lesson.